My question is, am I streaming? Well, shit, I'm streaming. Okay. Well, hello everyone. That's the Linux Grandpa. As you can see, we got many things going on here. Let me close some of this crap out. We're going to do a fresh install today in the VMs under VM Workstation, my favorite. I don't know why. Okay, we're going to do a quick stream. How to install AcreetionOS. Now, AcreetionOS is an Arch-based distribution. Only runs about a week behind the latest and greatest. The reason we do that is so that y'all can not worry about your system breaking. Our stuff breaks, but your stuff doesn't. That's the whole concept of it, is to try to keep it from breaking. Now, I'll show you a few things that we do. We have what we call a server, or VPS. You can see here. Once a week, we run a command called repo copy. It runs automatically, so between 10 and noon, usually by noon it's done, Pacific Standard Time, y'all get the latest and greatest updates on Sunday. However, when we run it, when we do updates on our end, we run off a testing repo. This testing repo means our system breaks, we go fix it, and then we can put a patch out or what do we need to do to fix it. But today, I figured everybody can, like Linux gamer and my kid, annoying Gen Zer that she is, keep bugging me to stream. It's been more than 30 seconds. Yeah, okay. Keep fucking bugging me to fucking stream. Now I can cuss again. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go over here. We're going to run a thing called VMware, which is already running because I'm an idiot. There it is. We'll just go ahead and bring it full screen for everybody. View full screen. Now this will be in 4K, so it might look a little funny on your screen, and the text might be small. I'll apologize ahead of time. So, what we do, well, first what we're going to do is I'm going to go build the OSs. So we can take you out. We need to do the latest and greatest, so full screen will come down here. I don't know why that fucking won't come up. I took you. VMware can be a little annoying sometimes. That's why you hear me growl a lot. So what we'll do first is this little buddy. Yes, you see all my wobbly windows. Yes, I love wobbly windows. But AcreetionOS runs on Cinnamon. We went with Cinnamon because it really helps people be happy. So I figured I'd show you the process we go through. So we'll go to Packages, AcreetionOS X Libra, because that's my favorite. That's what I run, even though we have X11. We do not have Wayland. We are staying far away from Wayland. It's got too many issues still. It's got a ways to go. And I happen to really like the fork of X11, which is X Libra. Check them out on Twitter, X Libra. They're awesome. So anyway, we go in here. As you can see, this is our directory, right? Hope everybody can see it. In fact, we can do it this way. We'll just make it big. Control plus. There we go. I got wires in the way. Sorry. I'm a messy person. I don't care if people like it or not. Now, so I'm already in the directory where I build it at. So I just do a first I do sudo remove Etsy. I forget what it's called. Oh yeah, Cash. I'm getting old. Sorry, it's Var. Cash. Pac-Man. Packages. Start. Get rid of them fuckers. Oh, we got some extra crap there. We can remove that too. All removed. Now it's empty. So we do a CD, sudo boot. Now you notice, normally sudo asks you for a password. Mine's set up a little different. Because it knows I'm on my home system. It knows that it's me. Therefore, it doesn't bug you. And it's on my home system. I'm not remoted in. So, here we go. Undo build. This is the build process. I don't know if this is going to work or not. It's doing something, which is a little weird. But hey, welcome to my life. And there she goes. There were a couple little things I didn't like, but that's okay. It's still building. So we're going to find out together if this build works or not. And then you can watch me use AI to fix shit. Now, the reason I use AI is I may type fast, but I make a lot of mistakes. As you can see, my hands are kind of screwed up. So I do that. Then the reason I use AI is real simple. What takes me a week to do, or a normal person to do, as you can hear my dogs out there barking like an idiot, but takes a week to do, on running software, I can do in like an hour or two. See, AI is a tool, and that's how it should be. Sorry, Claude, you are a tool. My favorite AI happens to be Claude. So what it's doing here is it's checking package integrity. I don't know why. It's all our packages. We know they're good. But it's doing that. It's something about Arch that they're pretty persistent on. We're not a RICE. We have our own repositories and stuff now. But yes, we do use Arch. So we can get you close to the latest and greatest tested. Now, I know I sound like an idiot. Sometimes I sound a little retarded. But hey, it is what it is. I'm 58. I want to be retarded. I can be retarded. I'm 58. I'm the same guy that goes out and throws things at the kids on my yard, on my lawn. Just because. It's an old person thing. I vape. Don't care if anybody likes it or not. And also, just so y'all know, I vote very heavy on the right. If that bothers you, I could give a shit. We keep political stuff out of our Discord channel. We don't do any of that shit in the Discord. Because frankly, I don't care if you're gay, straight, trans. It doesn't matter. If you want to work on the project, you come talk to us. Maybe we'll, review your resume. However, I will ban people in my Discord for talking political crap. Real quick. But just because I vote on the right. And yes, I'm an asshole. In fact, I'm the king according to my ex-wife. I'm number one. And I'm proud of that. Tried to change my name, but our idiot governor won't let me change my name to King Asshole. I tried. I don't know if anybody's watching or not. Probably not. I don't know. I don't want to watch me either. That's just how it is. I don't even know if there's anybody in here chatting. So let me bring YouTube up over here. Jump into YouTube. Oh, it's actually showing me. Look at that. Oh, I can see myself. It's actually showing me. I can see the chat. Turn my head completely sideways, but hey. Oh, I can see myself. It's actually showing me. I can see the chat. Turn my head completely sideways, but hey. Yeah, me. I'm watching myself. So here I am, talking to myself. As you can see, the OS is building along. It's making it. This takes about 5-10 minutes. And when it's done, we'll go into VMware, we'll load it in the ISO, and we'll boot her up. So anyway, back to my rants while this is building. I think our governor here in Washington State is a moron, and he's a communist. He should be removed. Anybody don't like that? I don't care. I don't care what you think. Just like I tell my Gen Zer, buckle up, buttercup. You think life's hard now. But when it comes to, my political views and people being upset about them, guess what? Fuck you. I don't care. Get a life. Find something to do with your life. Go outside and touch fucking grass. Something. If you got a problem with my political views. Because it's my right. Just like it's my right to go down, and if I decide to go down and protest against the left, that's my right. But the left gets upset when I go protest against them. But yet, they should be allowed to protest against me and call me names and things that I'm not. Don't really care what they think. They can fuck off. In fact, I can think of more things they can shove up their ass too. They might like it, but that's their choice. I won't like it. I'll be afraid my foot will get stuck. And trust me, I wear size 15 shoe. My foot will get stuck. It will not be pleasurable. My question is what's his name watching? Probably not. Oh, I got new Discord messages. Look at that. Yeah, I have ADHD and dyslexic. Oh, look. There's a fan. Cool. I got my dog behind me. You can't see her. I'm going to get another camera one of these days and stick it up down there on the floor to point at my dog so she can come over and lay down and be on cam because she's a pity. And I know there's people out there that think pitties are evil. Again, shove your opinion up your ass. Fuck you. I love my pitty. My pitty's great. She's my service dog. She detects my blood sugars, wakes me up when they're too low because I won't wake up. And anybody who's diabetic knows you fall to a 30 or 40 or even a 50, it's dangerous. You can die. My dog will come over and wake me up in the middle of the night. She's a good girl. Her name's Bella. She's probably getting on the couch behind me now. Ah, it's building the hooks. Look at that. There she goes. Oh, Greg Cesar's got a new Salazar. I'm sorry, Greg, if you see this and I mispronounce your name. I'm not good at pronouncing shit. I do miss Florida. Hated the heat, the humidity, but loved the people when I lived there for 6.5 years. Absolutely loved it. Except for those two things. Same thing with Texas. Love Texas. Boy, do I love Texas. Except for the heat. Don't like the heat. People are awesome. I don't know why Discord says streamer mode enabled. Usernames have been trunculated. What the fuck is a trunculated? Who cares? Oh, I got more new stuff. What is in there? Oh, Two Shots Gaming. I wish he did some more 7 Days to Die because I really liked watching the 7 Days to Die. So Two Shot, if you see this, congratulations. You need to go back to 7 Days to Die. I know what happened with the streamer guy. I think it was bullshit too, by the way. But hey, I still love 7 Days to Die, even though I'm angry at them for what they did. I don't care if they like it or not. Again, my opinion is my opinion, and if someone doesn't like it, buckle up, buttercup. I'm Gen X, and I'll tell you where to put it. Let's see here. Anybody watching me yet? I'm just curious. No, nobody watching me. Probably because I didn't go advertise it. But right now, this takes a little bit. I have an M.2 drive in here. That's pretty fast. An NVMe whatever drive, actually. It still takes a while when you're writing out 2.3 gigabytes. We've managed to keep it under the 3 gigabyte, I mean, unlike distributions like Ubuntu. Oh, let's make it 12 gigs or 6 gigs or whatever the hell it is. Everybody seems to think bigger's better. Yeah, according to my ex-wife it is, but that's okay. Ooh, I got new messages. Where are those? Let's go. Get through those. So those are gone. So anyway, you can come find us, AcreetionOS on Discord. You can probably find us. We're around. We also have a Facebook channel. We're around there too. Yeah, we're all over the place. The first thing you gotta know about me is I enjoy pissing people off. I'm not afraid to piss them off because I don't care what they think. You know, I've learned that over the years. 58 years of being an asshole, and damn it, I've been working at it for 58 years and still doing it. My kid will either condemn me or laugh at me. I don't know which when she finds out I did this. I don't even think I have my camera on. I don't. There's a reason for that. It is on. Where's OBS? Where the hell did OBS go? OBS, where are you? Oh, there you are. We need to video. I need new glasses. Oh, there it is. I don't know why it's not showing me anymore. It's just not going to show me, but that's okay. I'll work on that later. Yeah, it says it's supposed to be there. Oh, there I am. That's what I do to the world all the time. Here, I do it double too in stereo. We're about a third of the way through. This takes a bit. The rest of it's super fast once it's done. I just wanted to build one on the latest build. I don't know what the hell my dog's barking at. She's hearing people out in the hallway. They probably think I'm nuts and you're talking to myself. Which I pretty much am because, let's see here. Bring that back up so I can see if there's anybody there. There ain't nobody there. What am I doing on Top Band? I want live. There we go. Still nobody there. Still nobody there. Oh yeah, I can echo myself. I forgot. Yeah, but she's a going. Do I have anybody watching me? Oh, hell no. Nobody ever watches me. I'm an ass. And I'm proud of it. Oh, there's my peach tea. And then we got our coffee. And just so you know, I'm not a wussy when it comes to my coffee. It is a quad shot in that little coffee cup. There's 4 shots in there. I don't put regular coffee in. Just the 4 shots, a little bit of creamer, some sweetened lump. We're good to go. Super strong that way. I like caffeine. People get upset that I like caffeine, but I really don't care if they get upset that I like caffeine. Why are you not doing all cores? What the hell? Okay. I'm going to go ahead and stop that. We'll do it again. Thank you. Claude. Okay. All right, Claude. Doesn't seem to be on all cores when making and copying it. Please fix, Mr. Claude. See, I think Claude's great. Oh, and I am streaming. Be on your best behavior. Please. Let's see what Claude's got to say. See, look at him work. This is why I like Claude. Saves me a lot of time. I can just tell him to go and do it. And Claude does it. I think Claude is one of the best AIs out there, especially when it comes to programming and fixing stuff. This thing rocks. Unlike that microslop crap. And I'm sorry, Twitch, but Grok is not as good as Claude either. Just saying. The same with ChatGPT. I'm sorry. Claude's got him beat. We're going to recompile it again. Once it fixes this problem. What does that have to do with it? But okay. When it compiles, you will use all cores now, right? When it's finished and copies it out, it will use all cores, right? See, you do have to go and talk to the AI like this sometimes just to make sure it did everything right. And that's the whole thing about AI. You got to give it enough information for it to do it right. Well, I'm going to try it, Claude. Thank you, Claude. Quit. Sudo build. Sudo build. Sudo. I like saying sudo. It confuses people. There she goes. Let's see what happens. Hope my audio is good. It seems to be showing on OBS going bing, 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 up and down. I don't know. Why did you do that? You're not supposed to do that. Oh, yeah. I may need to check something. Terminal, repo, sudo, repo. Whoops, sorry, did that wrong. Fix, repo, test. Main. Well, that was good. I don't know why it's doing that. Why it has to do legacy, I don't get that. It's still doing the right one. Occur. That's our... By the way, Occur is... we get it from Chaotica repositories, all the bin files for the AUR. Chaotica's real good about checking for stuff. So far everything I get from them has been clean. They're real good about making sure it's clean. So that big scare about malware in the Arch user repository, you know, it's bound to happen. More and more people are using Linux. We're over 10% now in the United States. We're like 12% or something. So Linux is growing. That could be why. Oh, let's go ahead and get back down here. Now she's a building. Look at that. Don't worry about the warnings. That's normal. I wonder how many people have downloaded it today. Wow. 15 bots downloaded from us. 4X Libra. No Windows or Linux users this time for today, but that's okay. It's still morning. It's only 8 a.m. here. And just all this stuff needs to hurry up and get done, so when I stop streaming, I can go take care of my kid and give her drugs. The good stuff. She's a pretty good kid most of the time. Even though I want to strangle her half the time, but she's Gen Z, I'm Gen X. I was raised by the silent generation, not boomers. And you get a little grumpy in my old age. But you know how that goes. Oh, look at that. We definitely broke 1,000 downloads in the United States. That makes me happy. So anyway, we'll go ahead and exit. Do I have any updates? Oh, no, I don't. Okay. But see, I'm on the testing branch, like I've said. So I'm in here just yapping to myself while it's doing stuff because I'm an idiot. The reason you see that deprecated, that's for people that have um, the network adapter on their motherboard that's wired that need to have the 8125. It's normal. It says it's deprecated. Ignore that. It's the only way it would work. We ran into a problem since I have a newer one. Believe it or not, the older one works better than the newer one. Every other boot, I had zero network. Couldn't turn it on or nothing. Reboot, comes right back on and works. Go figure. Makes no sense to me. It's one of those days. But, I mean, we do have a network. I do have a fix for it for people that are under the old one. It's not just here. There is an actual way to fix it. Now, some of the things people don't know about ROS detects the three main branches of video cards. AMD. It detects not just AMD. It will detect Intel and NVIDIA. So far, it's worked. Auto detects them when you do the install and puts them in. Beautiful thing. Only thing it probably won't work is like on my laptop back there because it's got some weird video card in it that's an NVIDIA from the 1800s or something. I don't know. It's like 20 years old. Has hardly any VRAM in it. I use it to watch videos, watch TV, that kind of crap. So I'll have to put the older video drivers in for it to work right, and it's kind of a hassle with that Dell to get it to install. It has nothing to do with our installer. It just has to do with Dell's a pain in the ass. They really are a pain in the ass. Their BIOS is like HP BIOS and Dell, and some of these BIOSes are just terrible. Some of the worst I've seen. If I would have wrote software like that back in the 80s and 90s when I was writing programs, I would have been fired. Flat out fired. Fired on the spot. Escorted out of the building. Might have even been arrested. They would have found something to arrest me for being such an idiot. Sorry, guys. I only tell the truth. Your BIOSes suck. And then if you get into those BIOS servers, like the Dell servers, oh my God. I have never seen it worry about memory so bad that it takes it 15 fucking minutes to check 128 gigs of RAM. I'm like, what the fuck? Seriously? It takes you that long to check RAM. It's only 128 gigs. It shouldn't take that long. 10 to 15 minutes every time. You can turn it off on some of them. And some of the Dells can turn it off, and some of the HPs can turn it off. Not guaranteed. It still takes it forever to boot. I don't get it. I understand their server or server boards, and they got to go and, make sure it all works, because it's a server. How about put a switch in? We know it works, so we can put a switch in and turn it the fuck off. That would be awesome. Oh, but wait, you won't do anything for older machines that are still worth something because y'all are Windows slop whores. There we go. That's a good name for them. Windows slop whores. I mean, seriously, Windows. What is wrong with you people? I paid $158 for my goddamn Windows 10 Pro license back in 2014. Yeah, 2014. So I paid that. And I get fucking advertisements. So I want my $158 back, and you can fuck off. Well, there seems to be some problems here. And we're going to have a fatal error. Okay. So what we do here is we're going to do this. We do this. We do Claude continue, and we go fix it. Oh, man, Claude. There we go. This error happened when I was building the ISO. What the hell? Usually I type pretty quick. What the hell is boogieing? Boogieing. I got 96 gigs of RAM. How the hell can you run out? Okay. Did you fix it? Gotta always ask it. Sometimes it'll say it didn't do it. It's still AI makes mistakes. Okay, let's try it again. Now we get to wait and do it again. You gotta love this shit. Welcome to the world of programming. And it does not recognize overwrite files. It never has. I don't know why. That's something Arch did to the make init CPIO stuff for building the ISO. Give that error again? Yeah, it sure did. Checking package integrity. Now we wait another 20 fucking minutes. It is what it is. I probably should tell Jacob I'm streaming. Jacob's a good Linux gamer. He's a good guy. People should check him out. Where are you? There you are, Linux gamer. Look at that. Almost done checking file integrity. Why are you not using more cores? What the hell? I want you to use all the motherfucking cores. God knows. I have 16 of them. I have an FX 5800X. Come on. With 96 gigs of RAM. Let's ramp it up. Water cooled at that. It's not getting hot, is it? Let's see here. Oh, 70 degrees. That's kind of warm for the NVMe. I guess 70 ain't too bad. There she goes. Oh yeah, gotta do all that firmware for all the different fucking things out there. Well, at least it puts it in there. I'm getting all kinds of weird shit going on. I've never seen that before. Dependency errors? What the fuck? Maybe I need to run a repo copy. Why was that in there? Oh yeah, VLC is put in there. I forgot. I don't know why I put it in there, but it's in the ISO. I should take that out. Because it gets installed with Calamari's config files anyway. Oh, yeah. Well, there's my right hand. There's my left hand. Okay, we got it right. Oh no, it looks backwards to me. It is backwards. We need to fix that. That's easy to fix. We can do that while this is building. Hopefully it builds this time. We need to get a new mouse. Where are you at? Oh, there we go. Left hand, right hand. There we go. That seems to be right. At least when I look at the screen, it looks right. That is not a great sign. Oh no, that's a good sign up there. Never mind. It is creating growth. Skipped running into root. Why the fuck you do that? Oh, it's running into root. See, there's my dyslexia. Oh look, there's my dog all the way back down the floor. You can't see. I don't know what Bella's doing. Good old Bella. It's my ballerina. She's a bone of china closet because she's a pity. I swear that dog will run into anything. Updating app stream. I don't know what the fuck that means. Most of this I don't even understand anymore. Well, now it's making the net crap. Those missing firmware modules are for like businesses and things, since we don't really do businesses. The business wants to run this. I wouldn't know why. It's made for desktops. I don't know why it's going so damn slow all of a sudden. Maybe it's because I'm streaming. I doubt it. What the hell is downloading 356 kilobytes from me constantly? I gotta figure that out too. Oh, there we go. And it still did not write out in all cores while creating it. Block size. See, we can't have that. That's just not right. It's supposed to do all cores. This will take too long. So we do it again. I say cancel. I'll just take this and feed it into Claude. Copy. All right. Here is the problem. When it writes out the ISO, whoops, there we go. This part, it's not using all cores like it used to. What the hell is a boondoggling? What are you doing, Claude? I should see if anybody's actually watching me or talking to me. No one's talking to me. That's just me. That's normal. Well, we'll see if Claude's right. We'll try it again. What? No. It has 8 cores real. Each has 2 threads. Must have been another Arch update thingy somewhere. Did you write out the changes? Let's try it again. Go ahead and stop it again. I'll make sure of something first. Okay, it did undo them all. Might as well have a look at that while we're here. Oh, that's a good idea. Check it. Knowing them, they probably don't. I might as well check it while we're here. Let's burn some tokens. Really? Got to keep asking me, Claude? Okay. I kind of knew that. Let's try it again. 'Cause I know goddamn well I got 16 cores, not 6, not 12, or whatever. I got 16 logical processors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 16. Starting with 0. But yes, 16 of them. Now we get to wait through the long process again. This started out to be a test stream. But no test stream. Turned into a work stream. Hurry up and check the package integrity. I know they're good. That was a pothole. I saw that fly by the screen. I like that. 6.1.6 Arch. Now, see, I personally use the Zen kernel. I like the Zen kernel. It's great for gaming. I don't play a lot of games, but it's nice to have them work right and have good frame rates, like 7 Days to Die, Civ 7. Even though Civ 7 kind of annoys me sometimes. You hear that, Civ 7? If you ever see this, stop being annoying. Bring Civ 6 back with Civ 7 graphics. It was awesome. Like, when you go to a new age, you don't lose all your fucking money. Come on, guys. I'll be up to 50,000 credits in the game, gold pieces in the game, and you take it all away and give me 3K? Bite me. That's all I got to say about it. Bite me. I think that's just plain ignorant. Just because you enter a new age, your money's gone? No, that's not how the real world worked. We went through different ages, you know, the last 2,000 years. Money didn't go away. May have changed to something else, but the value didn't go away. It still had money. Still had coins. Seriously. Oh. Almost there. We're getting there. Oh, now it's got to do that last part right there and build it. That'll take a minute. I should grab a cigarette. I kind of want to smoke. Never enough. What do you call it? Nicotine and caffeine in life. I mean, I went to the heart doctor. They're still freaking out. I don't need surgery. I don't got chest pains. I'm not going to fall over fucking dead. My aorta has 3 flaps. Well, it's supposed to have 3, but only has 2. Little leaky. Still good. Not plugged. Ultrasound says my heart's great. I don't know what the fuck y'all are talking about. I'm still kicking ass. Now they want me to contact them again. And I said, just had one. Why am I doing another one? It was fine. I'm not doing surgery. If I don't have to do surgery, I ain't doing fucking surgery. If I ain't gonna die, I ain't doing surgery. Now, if I'm gonna die, that would be a little different. But having my chest cracked open really bothers me. For that kind of a thing, they gotta crack a chest open. Not happening. I'd rather die. Die happy. I'll find me a cute redhead and bang my life away till I die. That'll work. I like redheads. Oh yeah. I probably should take this and send it to my ex. She wanna watch this. God, I need to get a new mouse. My other one died. Let's see here. Where is she? I mean, she probably won't like it. This is boring shit to her. Still not using all fucking cores like it used to. What the fuck? Come on. I don't want to sit here for 20 fucking minutes. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and end the stream. Unsend. I ain't going to bother. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and end the stream and figure out why it's doing this. It's not supposed to do it. And it's doing it. Something's not right. I'll figure it out. We'll probably do a stream later tonight. I'm thinking about it. Doing an install. So, y'all have a good one there and stay out of trouble if you're one of those people who get in trouble. Where are we at? OBS. There's OBS.